Hey Mary, it's Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I hopped up on your roof here quick to look at what's going on with your shingles here, and this is mostly just because your roof is heavily shaded by the tree. It doesn't see as much sun. Thus, what happens is it doesn't get burnt up, and the heavily shaded extra moisture creates the lichen. I can see where we get some debris on your roof here. Gutters need to be cleaned out quick. We'll take care of that for you. A couple of things I noticed on the chimney over here. I can't really do anything about this, but while I'm up here, I'll bring it to your attention. Is this metal cap is starting to come apart here. Looks like it needs to be, something needs to be done there. I can refer you to a couple chimney guys if you'd like. We can do some skylight cleaning for you. Alright, so we counted up all the windows and got you all taken care of here. A couple of different ways to get your shingles cleaned up. We can apply a all-natural concentrated soap solution. It'll just stop future stuff from growing. It doesn't actually clean it. Or what we can do is apply a chlorine-based solution, safe for pets, plants, and the environment, and it'll kill it immediately. It'll look white or yellow like cottage cheese. And then from there we can kind of rinse off some of the loose stuff. Most of it has roots growing into your shingle. Won't actually get a chance to get it all off. It'll take a couple months for the rains to wash it off and for it to dry up. So let me know how you'd like to proceed. This is all we do is exterior cleaning. Thanks so much. Have a great day.